Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix Instagram is not opening. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my phone. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to your settings on your phone. And then once you do that, go ahead and scroll a little bit down until you find apps or applications. And then right here, you're going to find the list that includes all of your installed apps on your device. Scroll down until you find Instagram. And then once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to be right here in this page. Once you're here, just scroll down until you find usage. Right here under usage, you're going to find mobile data, battery, and under it, you're going to find storage. Go ahead and click on storage. And then here in the bottom, you're going to find these two options, clear data and also clear cache. Go ahead and clear your cache and then close settings and try again to open Instagram. If Instagram is still not opening, then go ahead and click on Play Store. And then once you're here in Play Store, go to the search bar and search for Instagram. Once you find it, click on it and then check if you have any available updates to know that it's pretty simple. If you have the update button available, this means that you're not up to date and you need to update Instagram. And if you find the open button, this means that Instagram is already up to date. So if you find any updates available, update your application and then try to open Instagram again, and it should be working fine. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.